So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create reorderable list in Flutter like this. Suppose this is the list, and if you want to drag some number from this position to top or anywhere in the list, you can do that. Like I want to move this 7 towards 1, and if I want to move this 0 to the bottom, so you can handle this list like drag and drop. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I have created a list here, which will automatically generate 30 numbers. You can take your list coming from API or any custom list you can take. So after that, this is the app bar and this is the text. So inside body, I have taken reorderable list view, which takes which has a parameter like which has a property like children, and which will take list dot generate, and this length will be our items list that we have created above. Items dot length, and this is the list style, and inside key we will have to take the current index, title, color. I'm applying condition here, like if it is odd then color will be green, otherwise color will be white. In title, I'm taking the same items index from the list that I have created above, and I'm taking this text number, concatenating the strings, and then trailing I'm using icon, and this one is a required property of reorderable list, which is on reorder. It will provide two value when you will choose any list from this list view. It will provide you old index and the new index where you will uh, put this list. So this is a kind of function, and we are using set state. So here I'm applying condition. If old index is less than new index, then new index will be decremented by 1, and then finally I will remove the item from the old index, and then I'll add inside this item list the new index with new data. So that's it. Let me run this once again. It is, if you will move this, it is movable. So yeah, that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. And if you have learned new thing, please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for now. Bye.